Hello my dear students and welcome back to Balaji Online Classes. I am Rabia Khatoon and today I will be teaching you English Grammar of Class 4. We will be studying chapter number 15 of your book and the name of the chapter is Birbal Visits Persia. I guess all of you must have heard about Akbar and Birbal and you must have read many stories about them also. You must have heard that how wise Birbal was. You have heard about the wisdom of Birbal. So this is a short story about Birbal's wisdom. So let's study about that. Emperor Akbar was greatly respected by the rulers and people of other countries. Ambassadors visited his kingdom and he too sent his ministers on foreign missions. So Akbar's royalty, you all know, he was a king and he used to send his ministers for foreign missions, and people come to his kingdom from other countries. Once the Shah of Persia requested Akbar to send to him Birbal, the wise and witty minister in Akbar's court. This pleased Akbar and he sent Birbal. The Shah of Persia had heard a lot about the wisdom of Birbal and he decided to test him. So once the Shah of Persia, the king of Persia, he asked Akbar to please send Birbal to his court, and the Shah of Persia has heard lot of things about Birbal's wisdom, that he is very wise. So Shah of Persia decided to test him. When Birbal reached Persia, he was given a splendid reception. A meeting was fixed with the Shah. On the appointment day, Birbal was escorted to the palace. He noticed a strange sight and realized that he was being tested. So when Birbal reached there, he got the reception. He reached there and his meeting was appointed with the Shah. And when he reached at the palace, he noticed a strange sight. He saw something strange. And he then came to realize that he was being tested. He saw that there was not one throne but five. On these sat five Shahs in great style. Their faces were similar and they were wearing similar clothes. He walked confidently to where the Shahs sat. As he walked, he observed them carefully. And when Birbal reached there, he saw five thrones. And there was not only one Shah, there were five Shahs sitting over there. And he was confused that who is the real one. Everybody, all the Shah were looking similar and they were wearing the similar clothes. So he observed every Shah carefully and he started walking from one end to another. He reached the thrones and bowed before one of them. Everyone was amazed. The man before whom Birbal had bowed was indeed the real Shah. And when he was walking through all the five Shah, he bowed in front of one Shah and greeted him. And everybody over there was shocked because he bowed on the same person, on the same real Shah. Everybody was shocked that how Birbal came to know about it. So then everybody asked. Nobody had a clue as to how Birbal had been able to arrive at the truth. So he was asked to explain. He replied that he had observed that the other four men appeared nervous. They kept looking at the Shah and tried to imitate his moves. The Shah, on the other hand, looked relaxed. So when everybody asked Birbal that how did you come to know that who is the real Shah, then he answered that all the other four Shah, they were nervous. They were not relaxed, they were nervous and they were looking at the real Shah so that they can imitate, they can act, they can just sit like him. So they were all nervous and people came to know that who is the real one, because the real Shah was very relaxed. Thus Birbal won everyone's admiration with his wisdom. Thus everyone was admired, everyone was impressed by the wisdom of Birbal. So this was the story. I hope you have understood whatever I have explained you. For the better understanding of this chapter, you can read by your own. And the notes of this chapter you will be getting on School Mitra app. You can download it from there and complete your work in your book and copy. Until my next video, bye-bye and take care.